Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're going to be doing brisket. Today we got brisket. If you ever had brisket before and you never done it before, this is a simple recipe. This is a 2-pound brisket. I've already seasoned it on the bottom side. This is the fatty side up. This is the pan. This is that easy. You buy it, you put it in here, you season it, and then that's it. That's all you do. But first of all, we're going to finish the top seasoning like this. A little bit of cracked black pepper. Look at that. Just put a little on top. That's how easy it is. I like to do this. I like to do this. Okay, then I got my Himalayan pink salt, which I love. It's better than iodized, and you just sprinkle it on top, just like this. Okay, and that's about it right there. I did the salt and pepper on the thing, just like that, and you put it in the pan at 325 degrees. First, you go ahead and you warm up the oven at 350. It's an hour a pound, by the way. And then after the warm up, you bring it down to 325 and you let it go for 2 hours, and that's it. Let's go. I already got the oven going. It's this simple, folks. It's that simple I even forgot what to do. And just like that, you leave it with the top off, and towards the last half hour, you go ahead, you put a little aluminum foil on the top, sort of like a blanket. You know what I'm saying? All right, I heard the old bell go off. I think she's done. Let's pull her out. All right. My gosh, that smells wonderful. Let's bring it on over here, just like so. Close the oven, and let's go ahead and check it out. Let's check it out, Jimmy. Whoa, look at that. Look at that brisket. It kind of shrunk up a little bit. They will do that. But you know what? You have to let it rest. Always let what you cook like this on the meats rest. So we're going to go ahead and put the blanket down. Let's let it rest. Quiet. Let's just let it rest. That's right. So you go to sleep. You take a rest, okay? For 20 minutes. 20 minutes. It's time to get up, I think. Let's go look. Oh, it looks wonderful. Look at that. Get up! Get up! Get up! It's time to cut it. It's time to cut it, folks. Okay, here we go. You gotta have fun in the kitchen, folks. You gotta do it, baby. Look how moist that is. Oh my gosh, look at this, baby. Woo! Oh man, I don't even know where to start on this thing. Let's go over here. Okay, let's just go ahead and cut it right here. I love this. This is just, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, look how easy that cuts too. Oh my, it's just falling off the knife. It's falling off the knife. I swear to goodness, just like this. We'll go ahead and cut it up just like that. Okay, I'm gonna get one more. Okay, and we'll bring that over just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this right over here on the plate, just like this. Just like this. Okay, look at that. Don't you love that? Look at that. Oh my goodness. There you go. By the way, you don't have to put anything in the pan when you put it in the pan, folks, because it makes its own juice. And that's all it takes. And you got your summer flying saucer squash. And I'm going to tell you something, folks. From Vito's Italian Cucina, another fantastic dish. Abbondanza! Ciao for now.